Hey everyone, today I've got something new for all of you who work with Figma and React. We've made syncing your Figma icon library with React components a breeze. Plus, we've got a little update to our notes editor that is going to make organizing your content so much easier. Let's dive into these updates and see how they can make your workflow smoother. First off, let's talk about our new feature, Figma Icons Sync. This helps in maintaining consistency between your design and development libraries. Here's how it works. On your dashboard, you will now see an option for quick actions. Click on it, give your icon library a name, and then paste the URL of the Figma frame that holds all your icons. Oh, and one more thing, you will also need to generate a Figma personal access token to start. Once you've set up your library, navigate to the preview mode. There you will find a Fetch Icons button. Hit that and watch as all your icons are pulled into our tool, ready to be reviewed in the previous section. But here's the best part for developers. You can download these icons as a ready-to-use React component with just one click. Each icon is named according to its corresponding Figma node, simplifying management across all your projects. Now, let's talk about how you can share these icons. Whether it's for internal documentation or external PR, you can easily import your entire React icon library into any page with our Import Block button. This makes it super simple for anyone to copy and reuse your Figma assets in various tools. And here's where our Notes Editor update comes in, the new Sections component. Simply drag and drop a section into your document, and you can start organizing your icons or any other content into well-structured, manageable sections. It's perfect for keeping your design and development documentation tidy. What if you need to make an update? No problem. Add a new icon to your Figma frame, return to our tool and click Fetch Icons again. Your React components will be updated instantly. It's as easy as that. If you want to give our Figma Icons tool a try, head over to figmaicons.blocksin.com. It's a freemium tool, and we would appreciate your support on Product Hunt if you find it helpful. We have a limited number of spots available for testing our MVP app, so if you're interested, please reach out through a DM or leave a comment below. Don't forget to stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.